Everyone, I am Shivam Thakur. Welcome to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech, guys. I hope you all are doing well practice in your AutoCAD learning sessions. Guys, today we are going to understand the explode command. Explode command, and we can activate the explode command by using short key X. So alright guys, explode command is basically used to break any object into pieces. Let's understand how it works. So alright guys, for understanding this, let's draw a polygon here. Something like this. I have drawn this polygon here. I'm gonna draw a rectangle also here, just to understand the explode command. Alright guys, and let's draw any one object by using polyline. Polyline selected, and now we are going to understand an object like this. So alright guys, as we can see, these are the objects that are attached. If I wanna select only one part of this, one line of this, so we are unable to select. The whole object will automatically gonna select. So guys, for if we wanna break, let's suppose it's a rectangle and we wanna break this rectangle every line into a separate part. So we can break this into separate 4 pieces just by using the explode command. Let's understand. For activating the explode command, we need to go into modify command bar and we need to select explode from here. In the last, I have selected. Now this is asking select object. I just click here. The whole object has been selected and then press enter. Or now we can see it has been exploded. So done guys. As we can see, we can select separately any one line. Or if we wanna select this, and as same understand once more in this, if you wanna delete this one line and you wanna keep all the remaining lines, so for this we will need to use explode command. Enter X in the command bar, then space, select object, then space. Now it's done, it's exploded. We can see we can select it any separated from here. If you wanna delete this one. If you wanna delete this one more, then you can, your object you have in your hand. So alright guys, this is the way. Let's understand once more. This is also the same object. If you wanna explode this, so just select this, enter X and then space. Now object has been exploded. This is a different way. Now you can select any of the part of this object. So alright guys, I hope you understand. You can, one more thing, you can also explode, you can also break any M text that is written here. So alright guys, there is one, let's write something in M text. Hello everyone. Subscribe to my channel. So alright guys, as we can see, here is something is written here in M text. If you want to select any one line, so you are unable to select, because when you will click here, the whole text would be automatically selected. For this, you can also use explode command. Just use X enter in the command bar, select the object and then enter. Now we can see the M text has been break in different pieces. This is one, this is second, and this is third. You can select any one and you can delete any one or all the three, and you can edit any one in just by clicking double click on that. I hope you understand how you can use explode command or the complete concept of explode. So alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for clicking.